Welcome to our fascinating journey through the closing chapters of the book of Isaiah, chapters 64 to 66. If you've ever wondered how a powerful prose from ancient days can still resonate in today's world, this is your gateway. Let's dive into Isaiah's emotionally packed narrative, where cries for divine intervention blend seamlessly with visions of hope, justice, and new beginnings. We start with Isaiah 64. A heartfelt prayer where the prophet is calling out to God, vividly expressing human frailty and need. "Oh, that you would rend the heavens and come down," cries Isaiah in verse 1. This echoes the desperate yearning for divine presence in a world marked by sin and suffering. It's a universal appeal for intervention that we can all relate to. Moving into Isaiah 65, we encounter God's response. Here, God speaks of both judgment and promise, illustrating a stark contrast between those who turn away and those who remain loyal. Verses 17 and 18 are pivotal. "See, I will create new heavens and a new earth, but be glad and rejoice forever in what I will create." It's an inspiring message that points to redemption and renewal, inviting everyone to envision a time when joy overshadows the past pains. Finally, we arrive at Isaiah 66, a chapter that encapsulates divine judgment and glory. The chapter opens by challenging the worthiness of temples built by human hands when God says, "Heaven is my throne, and the earth is my footstool," verse 1. Yet amid warnings of justice glows a promise of comfort and restoration for the faithful. Verse 13 stands out, "As a mother comforts her child, so will I comfort you." Here we see the beautiful image of God's compassion. By closing with a vision of all nations acknowledging God's glory, Isaiah 66 brings a universal message of hope. These chapters together form a powerful narrative, merging human lament with divine promise, offering timeless lessons in faith and hope. So, what do these age-old texts tell you about today's world? What new beginnings do they propose for humanity? Stay curious and join us on this enlightening exploration of faith, promise, and destiny.